Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at ARM. Its big move to the upside and also they have something new out in the chip market. Now, in this video we'll take a look at how far ARM can continue, where did this play even started, and also I'll take you over the article as well that is a really good catalyst for ARM stock moving forward. Now, with that, I want to mention none of this is any financial advice, only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. So, what's going on with ARM here? Structure is just bullish, also a very big strong candle over here. Technically, structure turned bullish right up above 135 and 27 cents. Again, I talk on my Patreon. This is also a regular coverage, and members already knew about the place becoming bullish above 135. Now, we'll get to the more price action in just a second, but what I wanted to go over first is their new chip model that they're coming out with that is geared for AI. And this also eventually benefits Apple because right now Apple is just too late on their AI that I don't even know when they would come out. Most, I think Apple says next year, but anyways, we'll get to Apple here as well in the discussion as because it relates to that. So ARM Holdings said on Tuesday it was launching its next generation set of chips designs called Lumix. That it has optimized for artificial intelligence to run on mobile devices such as smartphones and watches without accessing internet. That's amazing. Called Lumix, the new generation of ARM mobile designs come in four types, ranging from less powerful but more energy efficient ones designed for watches and other smart wearable devices to a version designed to maximize the computing horsepower available. The peak performance design aims to run software that harness the power of large AI models without accessing cloud computing on devices such as high-end smartphones. So it's just pretty much elaborating on their first paragraph in these next two paragraphs as well. So here, there's some more information, that relates to Apple is what I just want to talk here is that they are designed, this Lumix designs are optimized for so-called 3 nanometer manufacturing nodes such as the process offered by TSMC. The series of iPhone the series of iPhone chips Apple announced on Tuesday use a TSMC 3 nanometer process. So there is eventually, as if Apple wants to use these chips as well. I know Apple designs their own chips, but we'll see how that goes now. So if Apple wants to design or use these type of chips, they have the compatibility. So that's a good sign for Apple. But hey, what's the point right now when Apple can't even narrow down on how to launch AI on their smartphones? Anyways, Apple is also my regular coverage on my Patreon in the videos, the plays that we take on those. Again, if you are interested, check those details out in the description of this video. You will get access to all those things. Okay, so, all right. Now, talking about the price action, as I said, we already turned bullish from 135, and yes, we are still continuing bullish. And let's see the move, how much so far it has happened for us, 15%. So what is the next level that ARM can go all the way up to? Well, technically, this is the next zone you are watching, $167 area. We do have a room to test this zone right now on ARM. And until where there is nothing to worry about on ARM as well, right? That's another important point. So ARM overall structure will remain just bullish on ARM even until this zone now. That is the level of 145 and $146. So what I mean by saying that is, even if a pullback starts to happen, yes, multi-day cool-off can happen. I'll talk about that as well on hourly interval in just a second, but this will just result in a pullback technically on the overall long-term direction right now on ARM. We are just bullish. Let's get to the hourly interval as well here. So here on the hourly interval on multi-day side, like let's say if you want to optimize your profits, avoid the pullbacks, or you want to take the profits in the extensions, any pullback until $150, almost 149 and 90 cents is just fine. even on the multi-day side. It's not going to change multi-day structure bearish even until there. Yes, below 150 or 149.90 cents, multi-day weakness can come, which is then overall structural pullback until 146 and $145. Okay, all good so far. ARM is looking good and it's going strong. Play already started a couple of days ago. As I said, I talk on my Patreon with many other stocks, and but we do have a room to continue up, and I think this is a bullish catalyst in a way that I won't be surprised if it also tests the all-time high zone, that is 183 to 188. We'll see. Level by level, zone by zone is what we'll have to get there. Anyways, that's what all I wanted to talk about in this video. Just give you a high level picture of how everything is looking like. Definitely, as you can see, ARM put that together with the Oracle, also coming out with their everything AI infrastructure and, opening up more revenues in coming quarters, and that literally, and then ARM also having their own news of this new offline basis AI modeling chips. This is just, first icing on the cake and then gravy on the side. Like, this is a party time, party. All right, guys, that's all I had for you in this video. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.